रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः. So this particular stotra, Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. What does this mean? Ramaya, this particular stotra is taken from the Ramaraksha stotra. Now in Sanskrit, every particular shloka has a lot of possibilities. So Ramaya, this is to Lord Rama. Rama Bhadraya, Bhadrachala is one parvata. Rama Bhadraya. So here Rama, Lord Rama, is referred to the one who resided in the Bhadrachal Parvat. Rama Bhadraya. Ramachandraya. So one of the names of Lord Sri Rama is Ramachandra. So in this particular verse, Ramachandra gives us two meanings. One is the one who shines like the moon in the night sky. And second, he is the one who has the calmness of the moon. We can see that moon is very calm. He symbolizes the calmness within us. Ramachandraya Vedhase. Now Rama, Lord Rama, the seventh avatar of Vishnu. He is the one who is adored by the great saints of our country, who is mentioned in the Vedas. Who is he? He is a Raghuvamshi, Raghunatha, Raghuvamshi. He is the Lord or the greatest Lord of the Raghukul. Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitayah Pataye Namaha. He is the husband of Sita Devi. Sitayah Pataye Namaha. I bow down or I salute to Lord Rama, who is also called as Ramabhadra, Ramachandra, who is mentioned in the Vedas. He is one of the most sacred king of the kings of the Raghuvamsha, and he is also the Lord of Mata Sita. So we will chant again. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya Sitayah Pataye Namaha. So in this particular stotra, there are the places where there are Mahaprana is Ramabhadraya. Now why am I stressing so much on Mahaprana is so that the Hakar that is hidden in our soul needs to be expressed freely or openly. What happens is we say Ramabhadraya. Ramabhadraya and Ramabhadraya, there's a lot of difference. Now, not everybody gets it in one go, so that is why initially you need to fake it till you make it. So one more place is Raghunatha, Raghuvamsha, Raghunathaya Nathaya, Raghunathaya Nathaya, Vedhase, and Sitayah Pataye, there Sitayah Pataye, a car comes there between Sitayah Pataye, Sitayah Pataye, Sitayah Pataye. So now repeat after me. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedhase Raghunathaya Nathaya सीतायाः पतये नमः। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। श्री कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।